Okay, today we're going to learn the very basics of electricity, and what we'll find is that electricity is based on electrons that really are part of the structure of matter. So one of the things is that matter is anything that occupies space or has mass. So everything that we see, touch, and feel here in our lives on the earth, as well as all the objects of the planets rotating around the sun and all the stars and galaxies that are out there, that's matter. And anything that occupies space is matter. What we're going to find is there's elements of that matter that actually are what the fundamentals of what electricity is all about. And that's what we're going to go through, some of the different elements, and we're going to learn where electricity generates from. Okay? So when we take a look at matter, it's comprised of substances, and there's two general groups of substances. There's elements and there's compounds. Okay? An element contains atoms of only one type. So if you look at the periodic table, you know, we can take a look at, there's hydrogen, there's helium, there's oxygen, there's carbon. Those are all individual elements. They have different physical properties, each of them. Okay? Now, one of the interesting things is that these elements can actually connect together. And you can have different elements joining together, and that's what we call compounds. Okay? Compounds contain atoms of more than one type. Now, it could be that you have a compound that is has the same elements in it, but usually compounds contain atoms of more than one type.